Chapter 1-3 notes is on exponential notation. Okay, on the first set of problems today, it asks what's the meaning of each expression. So example 1, 5 to the 4th power. 5 is the base, and 4 is the exponent. And it means you need to take 5 times itself 4 times. So that equals 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. Okay, for example 2 and example 3, it's the same thing. You're going to expand it out. So m to the third is m times m times m. On example 3, you're also going to expand that out. That's 2 times x times x times x times x, because it's x to the fourth. And y to the second is y times y. Okay, the next set of problems that you're doing today is write using exponential notation. So they'll give you, as an example, 4, 7 times 7, and they want you to write that using exponents. So that's 7 to the second power, because there are 2 of the 7s that are being multiplied together. On example 5, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 n's that are being multiplied to each other, so that's n to the 5th power. Okay, on example 6, you have 3 times x times x times y times y, and you need to write that using exponents. So that's 3 to the second power, x to the second power, because there's 2 of them, and y to the second power, because there's 2 of them. Now, if the numbers are not too big, you'll actually figure out what 3 to the second power is, which is 3 times 3. So that's 9 x to the second power, y to the second power. So either one of these is okay to write. Okay, the last set of problems are evaluate, which means they want to find out what the answer is. On example 7, x to the fourth, and they're saying that x is 2. So you're going to put 2 in place of the x. So that's 2 to the 4th power, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which equals 16. On example 8, m to the third plus 5, 4m equals 4. So you can put 4 in place of the m, so that's 4 to the third power plus 5, and that equals 4 times 4 times 4 plus 5, which is 64, plus 5, because 4 times 4 is 16, times 4 is 64, and the answer is 69. Okay, example 9 and 10 look similar, but their answers are totally different. On example 9, you have parentheses, so that means you have to do what's in parentheses first, and example 10 doesn't have parentheses. So on example 9, you're going to do inside the parentheses first, so that's 3 times 2 to the third power. And then inside the parentheses is 3 times 2, so that's 6 to the third power. So that's 6 times 6 times 6, which is 216. 36 times 6. Okay, on example 10, you're going to put the 2 in there, so that's 3 times 2 to the third power. And when you do PEMDAS, order of operations, you do parentheses first, then you do exponents. This one has an exponent. So that's 3 to the times 2 times 2 times 2. So that's 6 times 2 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24.